everybody, it's Teresa from Confessions of a Teaching Junkie, here with a quick tutorial on how to edit and save my classroom newsletter templates so that you can share them with your parents. All of the templates are completely editable. All of the text is editable. The fonts are embedded in the PowerPoint file, so you shouldn't have any issue with it. However, all of the fonts are also editable. If you do not like the fonts that I've chosen, you can change them out and tweak them to fit your needs. I'm going to start by finding the template for the month or the season that I am going to work with, and since it is back to school, I'm going to start with a back to school newsletter. If you notice, my newsletter has 2 pages, but because this is the first week of school, I'm only going to use the first page of this just to send a quick note home to parents this first week. So I have added in all my text and edited and formatted everything so that it looks the way that I want it. I've added in the dates, and again, you can move these things around and put them in a different order. The graphics are not editable, but all of the text and text boxes are. So once I have my newsletter set up the way that I want it, I want to save this file with a new name and delete all of the other pages from the file that I don't need for this particular newsletter. So I'm going to File, Save As, and I'm going to title this Newsletter 8/6/14 for my first week of school, and I'm going to save that into my newsletter file or folder wherever I'm going to save those. And once I have saved that, then I don't have to worry about messing up my original file or accidentally deleting something from the original file. However, if you do, you can always re-download it from TPT without any problem. So now I have just this one page that I want to work with. So I'm going to delete all of the other slides except the one that I'm working with. Now the only slide left in this file is the page that I want to share with my parents. I'm going to save that again. And then in order to share this with my parents, I want to save it as a PDF file so that I can copy it and send home paper copies, or so that I can attach it to an email and email it to parents. So I want to File, Save As, and I'm going to go down and save it as a PDF. And again, I'm going to save it right into that same folder where I have all my newsletters. And now I will have a PDF version of my newsletter that I can share with parents or post on my classroom website or whatever I want to do without including all of those extra pages. So I hope that you see that this is a really easy template to use, edit, and save. If you have any questions or have any difficulty with it, do not hesitate to email me at teachingjunkie@yahoo.com, and I will help you through it. It's really easy to do. It looks daunting, but it is not in the least. So, welcome back to school, everybody, and stay tuned for the latest from Confessions of a Teaching Junkie. Thanks, everybody.